Take the FLEXSOLAR A60 Pro 60-watt solar panel with you wherever you go. With an impressively thin and lightweight design, it lets you DIY your own portable solar energy system. Traditional solar panels are often bulky, heavy, and difficult to transport. However, FLEXSOLAR provides a reliable source of power for use anywhere, anytime. An expandable panel, it consists of high-quality, lightweight materials. In fact, it weighs just 5.3 pounds and measures only 0.1 inches thick, making it easy to carry and transport. Furthermore, it measures only 22.4 inches wide and 24.7 inches tall, so it easily fits in a backpack for use anywhere you want. Finally, it offers fast charging options and can even power the latest iPhone models from 0% to 50% in just 30 minutes. Make gaming a gorgeous experience when you have the Razer Blade 15 2023 gaming laptop. Offering a powerful 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, it also boasts an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPU. With an impressive QHD 240Hz display, it has an incredibly thin chassis that measures just 16.99mm thick. Running on Windows 11, it offers THX spatial audio technology as well. Weighing only 4.4 pounds, it has a processor that clocks a maximum speed of 5.2 GHz, has 14 cores, and has 20 threads. Furthermore, a powerhouse gaming laptop, it's actually 25% smaller than the Blade 16. And it gives you ultra-efficient NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, AI-powered DLSS 3, full ray tracing, and Max-Q technology for efficiency. Do more with a powerful computer like the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i AI-tuned gaming laptop. With a 16 inches size, it comes with an option of 13th Gen Intel Core processors or AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. With stylish looks and impressive technology, this AI-tuned laptop also offers NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPUs. Additionally, it has Lenovo Legion's Cold Front 5.0 with hybrid thermals. That, along with an extra wide vapor chamber, offer hybrid heat piping. In fact, the CPUs stay cool with a liquid metal infusion. This means there's zero throttling, and the huge exhaust vents on the rear and sides of the chassis expel heat out to 235 W of TDP. Finally, the Lenovo AI chip powers Lenovo AI Engine Plus to maximize frames per second. Enjoy playing virtual rounds on more than 42,000 courses worldwide with the Garmin Approach R10 portable golf launch monitor. In fact, you can do so using the Home T-Hero Golf Simulator to master and play on the global courses. Helping you train, track, and record your performance, this lightweight gadget helps you improve at home, indoors, or the driving range. It measures things like club head speed, ball speed, swing tempo, ball spin, launch angle, and more. This helps everyone from beginners to professionals improve their game. Pair it with the Garmin Golf app, and you can use the training mode to see what you're doing really well. Moreover, this gadget even records video clips, helping you analyze your swing. Upgrade your cooking process with the Tramontina Guru Smart Cooking System. Featuring app connectivity and access to over 200 video-guided recipes, this kitchen gadget gives you perfect results every time. How does it work? It starts with the next-gen induction cooktop with smart controls. To use it, link the cooktop to your phone or tablet. The app offers hundreds of step-by-step recipes you can sort by ingredient, preparation time, etc. Not only that, but the recipes are kitchen-tested, with new ones being added every month. Even better, you can learn more about cooking with the app's tips for using knives, utensils, pans, etc. Meanwhile, the built-in temperature sensor and precision scale give you control throughout the cooking steps. Finally, you don't have to worry about the results. With the Guru's helpful cooking tips, each recipe turns out as you expect. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.